Understanding Drone Telemetry, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, drone telemetry. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also be able to use it confidently in your conversations. First, let's dissect the phrase. Drone refers to an unmanned aircraft or ship guided by remote control or onboard computers. You might have seen these flying devices used in photography, delivery services, or even in movies. Now, the word telemetry is a bit more technical. It refers to the process of recording and transmitting the readings of an instrument from a distance. So, when we talk about drone telemetry, we're discussing the transmission of data from the drone to a remote operator or system. Why is this concept important? Drone telemetry plays a crucial role in various fields. For instance, in agriculture, drones with telemetry systems help monitor crop health. In disaster management, they provide vital information about hard-to-reach areas. Understanding this term can help you appreciate the advanced technology used in different sectors and how it impacts our daily lives. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday English. Imagine someone saying, "The drone telemetry data helped farmers increase their crop yield," or "Emergency teams used drone telemetry to assess the flood damage." These examples show how the phrase can be naturally incorporated into conversations about technology and innovation. And that's a wrap on drone telemetry. I hope this video has made the concept clear and easy to understand. Remember, learning English, especially technical terms, is a journey, and you're doing great. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. See you in our next lesson.